also today's wig is from UNice Hair, and I'm working with their reddish brown wig. The length of the wig is 24 and I have 150 density. This hair is actually quite full for 150, so we're just going to jump straight into this video. So you guys, let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section below, and I think I did a really good job with my baby hairs today. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So you can see this is what the hairline looks like. I've already pre-plucked the hairline, so I literally just need to install this wig and style.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on, my bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, way.
Okay, so this is what the hairline looks like. It looks really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out some hair from my baby hairs.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga?
So now I'm just gonna spray my bedhead spray and then go ahead and use my milk band around the hairline.
Catch a break, give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter.
And this also came with the wig, by the way.
and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, working all day. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh, mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I
Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm so in love with this reddish brown hair color from UNice hair. So the length of the wig is 24 and this is 150 density. The hair is actually quite full for 150 and I really like the lace as well. So I think this is their transparent lace and it looks really good. I didn't really have to do too much to, you know, get it to melt into my skin or match my skin tone, and I think I did a good job today with my baby hairs also. So you guys know I try when it comes to my baby hairs. I'm not the best, but I feel like I'm getting better. I'm definitely getting better, but yeah. So yeah, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below. So please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.